Alright guys, sorry for the delay. I'm going to run the 5 winner top 5 spots win a box. 8:05 p.m., 8:05 p.m. Please PM me for the available boxes. Why is that not updated? Hang on, I gotta copy the phone or the list off my phone. There we go, just pasted it here. Copy the list. 25 entries. 25 entries. Sean at the bottom, Kyle at the top. Dice roll 5 or higher, 9 times. Good luck. Looking for top 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next click, top 5. Good luck. Sean, Jeffrey, Zach, Bill, Jason. There's a verification code. We are done. Long video. (8:07 p.m.) Congrats, top 5. Please PM me for boxes, and we will break in 15 to 30 minutes.